Hello everyone, this is Vinay here from Learn Coding with Vinay, and this is video number 26 of our series where we are building movie rating application using ASP.NET Core MVC, Micro RM Dapper, and ChatGPT as our coding assistant. Right. So in the previous video, we saw we displayed recently released movies. Right. In this video, we will work on the next section, which is let me bring that prompt, which is section number 4, which let me bring the chat gpt and copy paste the prompt over there, right, and I'll read out for you. So this will be section number 4 where we will be displaying genre wise content count, right, and it will be those will be small interactive cards that will have the genre name and count of the content, right, and clicking on it, actually we should go to the listing page, but in this video we will not work on the listing page because we might have to create a common listing page that can be used from many locations, right. So here it is, maybe when we click on a genre, the list of content of that particular genre should be displayed, right. Then maybe down the line we are displaying actors detail, top actors, right, or something like that. When we click on that more detail, then that actors movies or content, web series, short film, whatever it is, that should be displayed, right. So based on from where we are landing, we'll have to think of the common function of listing these movies or content, right, and based on that, and once list movie are listed, clicking clicking on any one of them will take us to the actually detail page, where we'll have again the similar screen like edit. We will have the content details, we'll have the language, we'll have the actress details, right, and we will have the reviews provided by the user also over there, right. So we'll plan it that way, right. So in this video, let's plan just the genre wise count, and let's have nice small interactive cards. So that's what I have told it over here, right. So let me push this and let's see. So ChatGPT has generated the response. Let's see. Let's analyze it. So it has given us the stored procedure, which is content wise count. Then genre VM. Okay. We'll put it down into the home VM. Okay, that is good. Repository program.cs. Okay. Okay. So this is good. Section by section thing going good. Only thing it now it is following that home VM. We already have other VM name, but that's okay. So let me copy these. It should be quick. Let me copy paste it over here in SQL SSMS. Right, let me create this store procedure, and also it sometime it is giving USP, sometime it is giving SP, sometime it is not even prefix with anything, right. So that's okay, we might have to instruct it every time. As of now, I am not doing that. Okay, so it is content, which is good. And then what is the invalid object genre? Okay, so perhaps it missed the, I think it is content genre. Okay, so let me run this again. Okay, so this time is ran successfully. Let me go ahead and run this. If it gives us, the count, great. So we have count, and we are not considering the one with zero, right? We don't want genre of zero count to be displayed over there. So we have this many data now. So this is good. SP is created. Let's move to the next. So next would be view model, right? So let me create this view model quickly. Let me show you this time, because we have only one over here. So what we'll be doing, let me stop the application. We'll go to our home movie card VM. We'll copy paste over here, and then we'll take this property and we'll keep it over here. Right, so we have this in home home movie card. Okay, great. Let's move to the next step. Next step is to work on the repository interface. So this is get genre with content count async. Okay, so let me go over here. Let me go to iDashboard repository. Let me copy paste it over here and then come back again on, and then let's implement the actual method. So I hope it will be at the end. Yeah, this one. Let me say Control C. Let me go over here in content repository. I'll say copy paste and I'll just copy the first line. Hmm. Why do we have error for connection? Okay, let me say this is good. Yeah, because name we need to change it to con. Let me go up and see error. Okay, error is gone. Let's move next. We don't need this because we are using dashboard repository. Okay, let's copy this section, go to our razor page, copy paste it, save it, and browse by genre. Okay, let me make this forehand only. We don't need it h4, we'll make it h2. Actually we'll make it h4. Alright, so this is good, browse by, this is good, empty section 5. Okay, here we are, content and list by genre. Okay, so we'll have some list page common later. So this is good, let's run it and see. Okay, so let's see, it is loaded, and let me go bottom. Okay, we don't see anything surprisingly. What just happened? Okay, because I think we missed to add controllers code, if I am not wrong. Yeah, okay, so we missed to add the controllers code. So let me stop this. Let me go over here and let me go to chat GPT. We actually missed the channel with content count. We had this, but where is the controller code? Over here, right? Okay, so we'll have to take this. Have to make it over here somewhere. We'll not, we'll use similar kind of thing where genre is equal to dashboard. I have typo, and let me say comma genres is equal to genres, genre actually. Okay, so let me run this again. Okay, so now we see browse by genre. We can see the list count and everything. um, So this looks good. I think no further change is required. Okay, and clicking on it, it will take us to the list page that we'll develop later, because we also want to display below. First, let's just you know first just complete the home page, the entire home page, and then we will, from here wherever we are landing, we'll we'll make that page. For example, here view details, we should land on the content details page directly, right? Not list. Here also we should have something like that. We can remove view all button here. Okay, so let's see what do we have in the next section. So that's it in this video, but let's see what is the fifth section. Okay, so fifth section is actually search explorer. We will not work on that because we'll plan to have a dedicated menu for search. Let me know what I'm saying over here. So we'll have a dedicated menu over search over here rather than section over here, right? So we'll not work on section number 5. Now let me go ahead and read further. What do we have in section number 6? Okay, then the cast highlight. So showcase popular cast with images, names, and their top rated movies. Okay, so as of now, let's just focus on display top cast with top ratings. Right, we'll do that only. Right. So that's it in this video. See you in the next video. Thanks a lot, guys.